If you're running LinkedIn outreach and consistently hitting account limits or connection caps, this tool fixes that. It's called AimFox, and it lets you run unlimited LinkedIn outreach at scale using rented accounts without risking your own. Here's how it works. Most tools are limited by how many messages or invites you can send from a single profile. AimFox removes that limitation entirely. You can rent verified LinkedIn accounts, connect them to your campaigns, and run outreach on autopilot, all while your main accounts stay safe. It's built for agencies, sales teams, and GTM pros who need to manage high-volume outreach across multiple clients or products. Instead of just sending messages, AimFox helps you convert. It personalizes copy, tracks engagement, and automatically follows up with leads that show interest. The platform includes unlimited outreach with rented accounts, AI-powered personalization to make messages feel human, smart campaign automation that schedules, replies, and scales outreach for you, a unified inbox where you can manage all client or team conversations in one place. It integrates with popular tools like HubSpot, Pipedrive, Slack, Lemlist, and Salesforce, so it fits right into your existing tech stack. And it's not just for agencies. Individual reps use AimFox to reach thousands of prospects safely, while agencies use it to run LinkedIn campaigns for dozens of clients simultaneously. And the pricing is simple. There's a free plan to test the platform and a $39 per month plan for full automation and access to rented accounts. If you're serious about scaling LinkedIn outreach without getting restricted, AimFox is a solid solution. But if you want to go beyond LinkedIn to automate LinkedIn and email, research and personalization, and meeting booking, that's where Salesforge takes over. While AimFox focuses on LinkedIn, Salesforce can do both LinkedIn and email. It also allows unlimited LinkedIn sender profiles, 10,000 emails sent every month, and a lot more automations. I have a full video about Salesforce right here, so check it out.